Good morning, sir. My name is Teresia Nadila Muilonga. You can call me Nadila. I from class 12 Social 4. Now I will tell you the important points that I go from today is inspiration on the class in with via Zoom. In today's inspiration class, we are taught to keep fighting because if it's what the activity or the dreams. There are many things that need to be done, and all of the must be found the focus of several inspiration stories. What caught my attention was the story of my sister, Miss Gaeluna. I think she's a inspiration story is very interesting because for her success and there are many process and challenges that must the passes until in the end she finds her dream and success in the activity he'll go at his wish. The story of Geluna uh, illustration that a good process will produce result. Miss Gaeluna's sisters also taught us the which must continue to pray in the at the forget or all life. We must continue to rely on God in the all joyingness. Basic that relying on God, we must also respect our parents. We are encouraging to the our beds, and if expression folly we should not be so sad the we stop moving. Besides that, there is another messenger when we are in the in the moment. We must not feel interview of not confident because of the adventure of each person. Um, uh, Brother and sister, or ladies and gentlemen, activities we must question ourselves with the people in order people are able the success we must also success. There we mean inspiration in the Zoom messenger from the brothers at at mm, at the Zoom meeting earning the essence of the Zoom meeting is that we must be individualists who dare the purpose dreams and continue to be greater in the very glory. There are many new things to the deal if we continue the experiment even when it's ruining ourselves. For now, maybe we don't experience team, but if you just went in without training to react in that until when when whenever in the will only becomes a mere dreams. April date every opportunity the excellent in the life because sun senses those not come in the tube. Call that stories for inspiration com- commandants to tragic acquaintance fear in limitation. We must drag to speak in the week is true. Don't be arrive of the new impression. We have to get our our of our complete zoom because that is where we know who we are challenge or learning system that was monotonous to be more activity. We have to start recommendation every material without fighting to talk to challenge or learning parents. We must find or for ourselves more often so that our ins, insight can be cause real. Ladies and gentlemen, that there are lots positive things I can get from inspiration story for brother who have already acquired the goal in the via may live in the Zoom. Who have already acquired the goal the first the information but the topic yo the first how can it be say learning English the messenger uh, conveyed by sis Nancy Dying where he said the we can equation learning English if we knew when's part of our level for understanding in English is by knowing or explanation we can more English learning based and that we can also join talking and listen to Will's music. The next inspiration messenger is if a question diluents in the crowd when we do is keep learning and don't give a quickly just because of the problem. Okay, everybody, from this acquisition information, I found news all the life story with fabrics of the different journeys with full teacher that everything will work out the time because everything with no barely the process and the zoom we were told to take this around some to on time some to and some there this around some to the item some to the sum there which now is the truth or to be a challenge and there was a reward from the challenge the messenger of the challenge in that we must beware individualists and treat all bets to give the best result from age to effort so that we can dreams of will surely come true that are from me. The Tosam positive and inspiration messenger that I got from is today activity. Thank you, sir.